Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm here to talk about shooting VR 180 video. To get the most out of this video, you're going to want to wear a VR headset. I'll wait while you put yours on. I can't tell if you're putting it on or not, but I'm trusting you. Even though 180 is not the full 360, the headset still changes everything. It's not just a video inside a frame. Now you are here on the set, and the camera is you. So the traditional shot, reverse shot, and over the shoulder is gonna feel like you're bouncing all around the room. I might be tempted to tilt the camera down to get rid of all this headroom and include more of my body. But remember, I'm not just tilting your head, I'm tilting the entire world. You might want to look straight down into, say, an unboxing, but remember that for you, up is still up and down is still down. So mounting the camera on the ceiling is going to make my floor feel like your wall. Delicious. One of the coolest things about VR 180 is the 3D effect. But if I'm 6 meters away, the 3D is not so noticeable. So what's the right amount of personal space? Well, let's see. Here's 2 meters. How's that feel? Here's 1 meter. Half a meter. Any closer than that is going to start to feel a little too close for comfort. So, what works well in 180? Well, try things that feature an intimate connection between us, where we're looking right into each other's eyes. VR 180 is ideal for point of view shots. You do have to be careful how you move the camera, but it's fine if you have the cockpit effect of a car around you, for instance. Finally, we have to be especially careful with handheld shots. Otherwise, in a headset, you're gonna feel like you've had too much to drink.